I'm so excited. I just got my first slime package. I've already opened it, but I can't see through it because it's like blue. But I'm pretty sure, you can see through it, but I haven't actually looked at it, guys. So I'm using my camera, so I can't see it. So, you know. So I'm using my camera, so I can't see it, guys, and it's a little scared. So let's just open this. Oh, Jesus. Okay. So I'm gonna let you guys have a first look. I don't see it. I don't know what it looks like. But yeah. Okay. Let's actually look down now. Ooh. Okay. So this one's like a pinkish color out of all of them. I like it. Okay. So let's just go through some of them. Okay, this one I am enjoying already. It's not sticky, and it's just super stretchy. It's just super stretchy. Wait, guys, wait. This is like super stretchy. Like you guys just have to like watch it. Okay. So there's that one. There's this one. But she said they're neon, so I turned my black light on, even though they're all white, which I get it. So, yeah. And she told me not to tell you guys who she is, because, I asked her if I could sponsor her, she said no, because it's like a secret thing, you know. So I'm not telling you guys who I got this from, but I'm telling you guys, oh, I didn't even know this was from me. So guys, this one is my favorite one so far. Like, it is so friggin' good. She watches my videos too, so thumbs up to you, girl. These are good. They're just... Okay, next one. Oh, this is the last one. Okay, guys, so this one is like a pinkish color. I don't think you can tell it's pink on here, but this is pink. It's like it's so freaking pink. So let me try to do the twirl. Maybe I can. Maybe I can't. Let's do this. That's terrible. Okay. So now let's just go back to my favorite one. Like, it just keeps on going, guys. So guys, I want you to like this video. Give this a big old thumbs up.